You know, one of the things I've found with people who are still struggling, okay, you know, who are not, so I don't want to say the poor, still struggling. When they have an idea for a business, the first thing to do is to shield it and see how they can connect and operate everything within themselves and get results. The difference between them and a rich man is that the moment an idea comes to a rich man, the first thing he does is to put together a team. He will call his lawyer, he will call his financial advisor, he will call his investor, he will call his marketing manager, he will call the operation manager, he will call this, he will say, here's an idea. Let's talk about it. The lawyer is working on the ethics of the project. This one is working on the marketing. This one is working on the finance. And all of them, they are not that greedy. They want the money, but they know they cannot get that money working alone. The first thought in their minds is to put together a team. And somebody was telling me, they say, I have this idea, this business, and no, God showed me. And I asked, where is your team? They said, well, you know, I don't want people to hijack. I said, now I can see why you are poor. I can see why you are poor, because unless you know how to share, unless you can bring people on board, then you cannot have all the expertise that you need to execute that. It's one of the disadvantages of soul business.